Okay, I got my second pop buying order today, and so we're gonna take care of that right here because I'm impatient. I'll hopefully go a little quicker than my first pop buying unboxing. Okay, so let's see. To start, we got it's Magic, cheapest one that Popbuying has, like $3 and something. No idea how to use it at all. Cool. Okay. It's just yellow rings on red background. Like I said, cheapest one they got. Let's see. Got a Popbuying lanyard. That's kind of interesting. Let's see what else we got here. Alright. Here's the Mini C. Gosh, it's smaller than I thought it would be. I'm glad I didn't go smaller. It feels nice though. Let's pop a piece real quick. Well, maybe not. Nope, not gonna pop a piece right now. Uh-oh. Got a little scuff. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe not. Just a little scuff up here on this corner. Come on. Oh yeah, it's just stuck to the sticker. So that's pretty cool. I don't have anything to compare it to, so we'll just have to move on here. Alright. Here's my QJ Megaminx. Get the tile. Looks like I'm in danger of popping pieces here. My brother hates these tiles. He's a sticker guy. I wasn't sure. I thought I'd give it a try. If there's any puzzle I would want tiles on it. I really like the way a scrambled Megaminx looks. Well, those aren't bad colors. I don't know if that's showing up well. I don't really like the fact that QJ is printed on so many of them. It's just kind of like an imprint. I don't know. It's like on all the light colors or something. I don't know. So that's pretty cool. First Megaminx. And then, last but not least, this one's going to be kind of pointless to take out, but it's a MF8 Square-1. Got all my stickers here. Huh, looks like green is on the side. Let's see what my top and bottom colors are. Looks like it's going to be orange and red. Orange and red are going to be my top colors. I don't think I've got this video centered very well, but anyway. Here's the cube. Oh, that turns nice. Maybe the layers don't. Slice is nice though. Cool, I have to get that stickered up later. So, that's my pop buying order.